Do you want to remove watermark from your images but you don't know how to do it? Then this video is for you. Hey everyone, I believe you are doing great. In this video, I will let you know how you can remove watermark from your images free of cost with few simple steps. So let's start the video. From this picture, we will remove watermark. You can see watermark is written on the picture and we will remove this watermark. First of all, open your computer browser. I am using Edge and then search watermark remover. Then you will see some websites. Open first website, a new tab. Here we go. And then you will see this kind of page. This is free AI online watermark remover. You will see upload option, click on upload, then select the image from your PC. Here we go. Then the processing will start. You have to wait for a while, and after the processing, automatically the watermark will be removed. Here we go, the watermark has been removed and now the image is ready for download, and you will see the download option below. Here we go, click on download and the image will be downloaded in few seconds, and this is the result. You can see the watermark has been gone. So friends, this is how you can remove watermark from your images free of cost with few simple steps. I believe you learned something new from my video. If you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe my channel and hit the notification icon as well. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.